Hello and welcome. My name is Melissa. I am the owner and artist at the Top Drawer RVA located in Richmond, Virginia. I'm also a Dixie Belle brand ambassador. I found this Lane cedar chest at the thrift store for only $20. It was missing one entire foot off the back. I brought it home, added some new feet, cleaned it up, removed the hardware, and I was ready to go. Proper prep is super important when you're painting your furniture. I always clean my projects with Pristine Clean or White Lightning and then give them a slight sand scuff for adhesion. I want to flip this chest pretty fast, so today's project will be all about silk all-in-one mineral paint. The color I chose for this project is called Cactus. It's a beautiful farmhouse green. I'm going to apply 2 even coats with a clean, dry brush onto my project. Silk all-in-one mineral paint has a built-in top coat and a built-in primer, so when I'm done painting, you're done. You can walk away. If you choose to add a secondary top coat to your project, you can use extra coat, gator hide, or satin clear coat. Apply your silk paint in long, even strokes. Don't worry if the first coat looks a little bit thin or a little bit patchy. When you apply the second coat, it will self-level and even out to a beautiful consistency. I love using silk all-in-one mineral paint for one color projects. It's really fast, it's mildew resistant, it's perfect for bathrooms. I've even painted my child's bathroom vanity. It's still holding up 100% over a year later. It's recommended to use a smooth synthetic brush when applying your silk paint. The brush that I'm using today is my Scarlet brush. It washes out very easily with clean as a whistle or a scrubby soap in your sink. After waiting 2 hours for my first coat to dry, I came in to apply my second coat of Cactus. For this project, since you could be sitting on top of this bench or leave it at the foot of your bed where you might sit on it or place objects, I decided to add an extra coat to the top of my chest. This will just provide added protection to that top piece of furniture when people may be sitting on it or placing items on it. I used the Dixie Belle's clear coat with my blue sponge, dampened with a little bit of water. You could also use extra coat, which is labeled for the silk all-in-one mineral paint line. When applying a top coat, I like to apply this with my damp sponge and pull it straight across the top of the piece of furniture. This is going to allow me to minimize any lines from applying it with a sponge. When I purchased this chest, it had that beautiful hardware that looked a little bit farmhouse, which matches perfectly with the Cactus silk paint. I reinstalled that original hardware and I was finished. Simple, one-day painting with Dixie Belle's silk all-in-one mineral paint. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again next time.